to. Check. Mic check. Yan oh.
Ay,
Yan. So medyo lapit tayo ng konti sa mic
lalapit. Sa mic.
Alright. Mic
Hi.
check nga, mic check.
Check.
Checking the mic.
Checking. Medyo mahina si...
Hello. Hi. What is good?
Yan, tama yung kay Direk.
What is
What
good?
is happening? Happy Valentine's
Pwede.
Day.
Speaking voice.
Happy Valentine's ba?
Speaking voice daw.
Lampas na.
Ay, lampas na. Sorry.
By the time na lumabas to, lampas
Oo
na
nga,
lampas.
sorry.
Okay.
Ayan.
Daanan na.
Ready ka na, Choy?
Ready.
Okay. Ano yung order niyo?
Ako sisip-sipin ko na to. Kanina ko pa itong hawak. Ikaw.
Ito.
Ano order mo pala?
Horchata. Dirty horchata.
Dirty.
Ah.
Kayo?
May malinis ba?
May malinis.
Meron.
Talaga? Seryoso ba yan?
Oo.
Horchata lang.
Wala sa menu.
Horchata or
Non-coffee
dirty.
kasi siya kapag hindi siya dirty.
So yung coffee yung nagpapa-dirty sa kanya?
Yes.
Yes.
When you say it's dirty, it's dirty.
Meron din kami nun eh. Hindi, meron din kami
Ayaw
nun.
nga pala may coffee shop ka rin.
Ay,
Tama.
cute na,
Mamaya
cute
pag-usapan natin yan.
Mamaya natin pag-usapan.
So, welcome sa aming show. This is Tara, Kape Tayo.
Obvious naman.
Obvious naman. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Coffee Syndicate sa Commerce Center, Alabang, no? Ako si Benji. At,
I'm Choi.
Ito si Choi, ang ating co-host. And right now, we are delighted
Delighted?
with the presence of isa sa mga owners ng Coffee Syndicate,
Yes.
Paolo Tabuena.
Hello.
And ang kanyang ano ba to? May showbiz.
Oo, wala ko
Ano bang
Assistant. Assistant,
Grabe.
secretary.
Hindi, ang kahera.
Kahera.
Kahera ng
Kahera,
Coffee
kahera,
Syndicate, si Sophie Reyes.
Hello.
Magpakilala muna kayo, guys.
Oo nga, pero yung iba, feeling ko naman kilala si Sophie.
Oo.
Oh, naman.
Daming fans yan eh.
Dami.
Oo.
Walang ganun. Wait, na-awkward na ako.
Kakasimula pa lang natin. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Kala mo
Happy
nagiinom.
tayo.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy belated.
Belated.
Belated. Happy Valentine's Day sa'yo, bro.
Bench, okay ka pa?
Nangaasar ka ba?
Hindi ko alam eh. Sorry.
Okay. So ano nga ang in-order nyo? Sumagot ba kayo?
Ako omelette. Kanina, kinain ko na. Wala pa sila eh.
Yung drink, yung kape. Yung
Yung
kape.
Cold brew lang, diet ako eh.
Cold brew. Naka-diet. Yan mga... Healthy lang.
Parang gano'n na nga, pero sabi yung iba, hindi naman pag coffee, di ba?
Ay! Oy,
Uy, healthy ang coffee ah.
Controversial yan
Acid, gano'n. Yun lang, hindi yung ano.
Pag
hindi yung-
nasobrahan.
Pag nasobrahan.
Kahit ano naman pag sobra.
Pero may kilala ko, 6 cups of coffee every day. Pero buhay pa siya.
Bukas hindi.
Hindi ko alam. Tignan ko, pag di nag-reply mamaya.
Malapit ka na dun, so.
Ha? Hindi ah.
Umaabot ka
Ganun
ng
ka ba
6.
kalakas magkape?
Medyo.
Oh!
Pero hindi naman ata.
Pero hindi naman everyday. Ano lang, every other day.
Every
Ganun.
night lang.
So, every
Every
other
night.
day yung 6. So, every day mga 4.
Parang ganun.
Sakto lang.
Aray ko. Itong podcast na to, sinimulan lang talaga namin. This is the first episode, by the way. And sinimulan lang talaga namin to para lang makapagkwentuhan with friends over coffee. And also to help promote ang ating Coffee Syndicate. Punta kayo dito sa Alabang. And at the same time, this production that you're seeing, parang ano na rin to eh. Anong tawag doon? Proof of concept, no? Na kaya rin namin mag-produce ng mga podcast.
Yes.
Yes, this is from 321 Films. Yan.
Max.
Yes. Oo nga pala.
Powered
Uy, hindi
by
namin siya-
321 Films and Coffee Syndicate ang Tara Kape Tayo, 'di ba? Yes, and kaya namin nasabi yun kasi sila yun. Sila yung may-ari ng 321 Films at Coffee Syndicate, no? So sila ang unang-unang guest natin at makikipagkwentuhan dito sa ating podcast.
Gusto mo ba akong magtanong?
Ayan, yan ang gusto ko. Gusto ko ikaw magtanong eh.
Ikaw muna magtanong. Controversial yung mga tanong ko
Ay,
direct.
Nako po.
Ayun lang.
Nako.
Medyo...
Kaya nilang sagutin yan.
Ano kami, shy type?
Hindi, sabi ko nga yung Tara Kape Tayo kasi, hindi naman siya talaga tungkol lang sa kape. Pero ang first episode natin, pag-usapan natin kape.
Okay, kape.
Pinag-practicean mo yan?
So, ano bang... Mga 1 week ko nang sinulat yung joke na yun eh. Gusto ko lang talaga ma-let go.
Ayan.
Para magamit natin.
Congrats.
So, pagdating sa kape, talaga bang coffee lovers kayo?
I would
Or
say.
eventually na ano na lang?
Ako, mahilig ako mag-coffee, pero ever since na-acquire namin to, parang extra knowledge pa ako on it and the love of the art in making the coffee or in actual coffee, not just making the different types of coffee. Ma-appreciate me every little other detail from a person who just drinks whatever coffee
Instant coffee.
I have, whatever coffee that's available, to now na medyo okay, alam ko na yung perfect ganito, ano yung the type, anong difference nung ganito sa ganyan. So, yun yung parang nag-evolve from acquiring this. This hasn't been here with us for a long time. So, it's still growing, the knowledge and the love for the art of coffee.
Ikaw, so. Para umabot sa 6 cups a day.
Hindi siya coffee lover.
Gano'n ka coffee
Sakto lang,
lang?
no? Sakto lang.
Sakto lang.
Addict lang.
Gusto
Hindi.
lang.
Actually, kasi ako, yung pagkatao ko, powered by coffee. So, ever since the world began, parang pinanganak pa lang ako, nagkakape na ako. Hindi, joke lang. Okay. Hindi. No, but I really enjoy the taste of coffee. And na-enjoy ko rin yung mga ibang flavors. Pero yun nga, like what Pao said, when we took the workshop, kasi nag-aral talaga kami. We took a workshop on coffee itself. Kasi akala namin, espresso machine, ganun lang. Hindi. As in, may iba-ibang profile yung mga coffee, ganyan. May iba-ibang flavors. Nung una, sabi namin,
And the process is
Yeah.
so...
hindi namin alam na ganun pala ka-in-depth yung art of coffee, which is interesting.
Pwede mo pa ilapit ng konti yung ano mo.
Ilap, ganito.
Para lang medyo mas umabol ka sa...
Okay, sorry.
Yung iba malalakas eh.
Okay. May attachment issues. Charot.
Mas maganda yung ginawa nila. Kasi yung iba, basta makapagtayo lang ng coffee shop.
Yeah.
Pero wala naman akong,
Yeah.
wala naman akong ibang ibig sabihin. Kasi kung meron man ako yon. Kasi wala ko alam sa coffee, pero may coffee shop kami.
Yeah.
May coffee shop din kasi sila.
Tsaka
And
burgers.
kaya namin tinatanong tong mga to para matuto siya.
Actually, ako yung magbe-benefit dito sa
Oo, di ba?
episode
Pero malayo
na to.
naman. Makati kayo, di ba? Makati.
Ibang branches.
Ibang,
Yeah.
ibang ano yan,
Yeah,
ibang demographic.
Sa inyo na yung Alabang. Sa akin na yung Pasay. Kaya Makati pala, Makati. Sorry.
Alam ko nga Makati.
No, but also just to add to that, parang what we realized with coffee, community talaga siya. So as much as possible, we don't treat it like competition or anything. I mean, even the other coffee shops dito sa Alabang, as much as possible, we wanna collaborate. So lalo na yung sa Makati, kasi syempre may iba-ibang story each cafe. Yun.
Yeah, I feel like yun yung what's nice about coffee shops. Because kami rin is we go hopping in coffee shops and parang feeling ko there's a story for every coffee shop. Like, I don't know, kung paano basically yung personality mo, eventually it's going to reflect sa coffee shop nung owner. So it's nice that you're doing this, you're talking to coffee shop owners. It's cool.
Yung difference kasi ng mga ganitong coffee shops, it's not a chain. So, very personal yung
Yeah.
yung pagkagawa ng mga items, no? Hindi siya yung galing na sa corporate na
Correct.
ito yung mimimix mo diyan, ito yung paghahalo-haluin mo diyan for this type of drink. Dito, they test it, they do their R&D, research and development. And kung ano yung minsan kung ano yung nagustuhan nung may-ari,
Yeah.
yun yung lumalabas. Doon mo nga, yun nakikilala mo yung nung coffee shop, no?
Yeah.
Direct, gano'n nakatagal pala tong Coffee
Kasi
Syndicate?
na-mention mo kanina, bago lang to sa inyo.
Yeah, so recently acquired, I think malapit na mag 1 year somewhere there. Almost a year.
April.
Yeah, April.
We got it last April 2025.
It's almost a year. So we're still making it our own kahit medyo fresh pa lang. Depending on how you want to see it. Medyo matagal na or medyo fresh pa lang. But for me, we're still in this world like babies.
Discovery ba?
Discovery, everything, getting into the craft full on. Learning the ins and outs. Mahirap eh. Kaya nga nung sinabi mo,
Yun yung sunod kong
sinabi mo
tanong
kanina na, basta lang makakagawa lang sila,
Oo.
makabuo lang ng coffee shop. Parang ako, bakit? Ang hirap nun. Mahirap siya. Kailangan medyo
Nandun yung will dapat eh.
Nandun. Kailangan medyo mahal mo siya. Kasi parang iisipin mo, bakit ka gagawa coffee shop? Gusto mo bang
Mas
sumakit? Sumakit ng ulo mo dito. Kailangan medyo mahal mo siya. So, we're there. We're still babies in this industry, and so far parang akong bata ulit. I'm learning everything. I'm being a student of everything. And
Pero na-enjoy mo naman direct.
yeah, super.
Matagal na itong nandito, di ba?
Yeah.
So before you acquired it, anong kwento nito? Or do you wanna not talk about that?
Yeah. Para
Cut tayo.
Pero
cut.
wala sa plano nyo na nakunin talaga to dapat.
It was so funny kasi the year that na-offer to, we were talking about it. Sabi namin, do you want a space na I can do my coffee and then we can have board games, have people do events, have community stuff.
Have a podcast.
Wala siya dun sa manifestation, but I mean, it fell into place. So parang, as in that same year, biglang na-offer nga na this space was up for sale. So parang sabi na, oh my gosh, it's meant to be. Ayun.
Oo nga.
So, kaninong idea talaga nanggaling yung tara mag-business tayo ng coffee shop?
Magkakapatid kami that decided to do it. And then we hopped in. Tapos ayun, tulong-tulong lahat. And then I guess nga what Soph was saying, we were looking for a third space.
Wow.
I feel like third space is very important, especially today in this life that we can do everything at home.
Yeah.
Literally, we can do everything at home. Medyo nakakabaliw din siya.
Totoo yan.
It's true. Third spaces are super important now. That's why I feel like coffee shops are on the rise because people want to go out and do their work even though they can do it at home. May internet naman sa bahay. Ang komportable. But then now there's the need to do it, and we had that want on having that third space na parang kailangan natin ng something and then gawin na natin business. Let's bahala na kung kumita. But as long as we have this thing, basta nauuna muna yung trip namin. Bahala na kung papakitaan natin. Bahala na. I mean, that's our business basically in general.
Yun yung mindset.
That's the mindset. I'm not sure if I can advocate it to everyone else, but
Ang hirap.
mahirap eh.
Ang
Mahirap.
May mga binago ba kayo na sa menu? Doon sa dati na kayo na yung nag-take over. May mga binago
Actually,
kayo or may dinagdag? Sigurado may dinagdag, no?
Or overhaul.
Well, majority of the items, it's familiar naman kasi meron na talaga siyang customer base dito. And we didn't wanna, super
Oo
make them
nga.
gulat, gano'n. Pero we improved and adjusted the recipes
Ayun.
to what we also enjoy. Yun.
So, pinalitan nyo yung, for example, yung mga sinosource na beans, no?
Yeah.
Yung cooking time or whatever.
Yeah,
may ganun yun alam ko.
inayos
Parang may
pa
certain
namin yun,
temperature
yeah.
dapat when you're...
We had to basically overhaul how the operation works, kitchen, bar, and everything else. Tapos yun, syempre, with that change, mag-iiba rin yung konti yung food and how to improve things.
Oh.
So we kept it muna. Iniwan muna namin siya ng as is for a while. We had observe and then makikita na namin, okay, let's change this, change that, change this. Masyado tong for my palate or whatever.
Oh.
Again, personalizing it in a way na kami muna masatisfy bago yung client.
Oo nga, tama.
And then, saka na namin sila isipin.
May mga ginawa rin kasi doon sa isang parang burger joint namin.
Yeah.
So, may mga nasunod din na gusto ko. Parang
Yeah. Diba?
naiisip ko yung sinabi mo kanina eh. So, ayun. So, sa akin na lang yun.
Akala ko
Hindi ko
i-share mo.
i-share. Hindi, joke lang. Yun nga, baka kasi mag-fail o kaya hindi magustuhan ng iba.
Yeah.
Lalo na, yung ginawa ko kasi burger na may creamy spinach. So, creamy spinach patty, tapos, alam mo na yung burger, itsura ng burger, alam mo yan, di ba?
Oh.
Yung may ano lang siya, may creamy spinach.
Yeah.
Ba't hindi ka nagdala?
Yun yung
Gusto ko na
tanong.
tuloy
Yun yung
Gusto ko
tanong.
na siya
Anong oras na?
tikman.
Ba't di ka nagdala?
Sarado na. Sarado.
sarado.
Sarado pa.
Sarado pa.
Sarado pa.
Oo,
Pero
11
order
eh.
tayo niyan. Sa susunod.
Oh, susunod.
Ah,
Pwede.
para yun naman ang ipopromote natin.
Pwede.
Anong pinaka-hassle na drink? Or drink order na gawin sa menu nyo?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Okay,
Gusto ko yan.
si Soph kasi yung
Kasi
Soph ang...
kung ano yung pinaka-hassle na drink, yun ang susunod kong bibili.
Oo nga, no?
Si
Tatlo
Soph ang
nun.
natin, ang nagbabar.
Yung pinaka-hassle, hindi naman siya hassle, honestly.
I mean, syempre, meron
It's-
dyang mas complicated.
Yeah,
diba?
it takes more time lang talaga. So, anything with cream on it, kasi we do our drinks from scratch, yung mga cream. So, yan. Yung favorite ni Paolo, yung Calamansi Mont
Oh
Blanc.
yeah, that's really
Yeah.
good.
Calamansi
Calamansi.
Mont Blanc.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so Mont Blanc, para siyang, it's cold brew and then there's cream on top. Tapos, with the Calamansi Mont Blanc, may calamansi syrup and yung calamansi extract pala. Tapos, calamansi shavings and whatever. And then a little vanilla. So,
Parang gusto ko
medyo ano siya. Yun yung favorite ko.
Intricate.
Yeah, medyo
Intricate.
intricate yung cream.
Interesting.
And I feel like the cream kasi nga is we always want it as fresh as possible.
Oo.
So, hindi siya
So, lagi siyang
Pre-made.
ginagawa.
Yeah.
Bago.
So hassle siya for her.
Imagine nyo, yung daming customer, tas nag-whisk ka dun.
Pero hindi ba matcha yung hassle?
Yun din eh. Oo, may matcha rin kayo sa menu eh.
Yeah.
I feel like matcha's hassle.
Well, matcha kasi has less ingredients than the Calamansi Mont
Right,
Blanc.
right.
That's why mas intricate talaga si Calamansi Mont Blanc.
Pero hassle lang naman siya in a way kapag punuan na.
Pag madaming tao.
Daming tao.
Oh.
Dalawa lang kayo sa bar. Tapos sunod-sunod yung order. Tapos biglang nagwi-whisk ka pa dun. Parang, wait lang po wait lang.
3 minutes. Kasi 3 minutes kailangan, may time rin
May
yung
time,
tamang
Pag-whisk.
pag-whisk.
Yeah.
Para lang maganda yung texture niya. Ayun.
So,
Those are one of the...
May reason ba kung bakit calamansi? Is it because, it's readily available or pwede rin siyang gawin
kasi,
sa lemon?
basically, the Mont Blanc was, I don't know if I'm correct, but it was, nauso siya basically nung sa Australia, the Mont Blanc style, which is the cream and the cold brew. So here naman we wanted our Filipino twist, basically. So,
Yan.
put the calamansi, para ingredient natin na proud tayong, mahilig din ako sa calamansi juice. So, na may acidity siya na citrusy taste. So, yun din. Gusto ko lagyan ng Filipino twist. Actually, si Anton din nakaisip nito. So, good. It just so happened I like calamansi.
So yun guys, ang pinakamahirap na order.
Anong pinakamadali?
Yan.
Americano.
Ayan, no?
Ay, ito. Cold brew.
Ayan.
Cold brew.
Bubuhos mo.
Pero ilang
Well,
hours?
ginagawa
May
naman
rin
kasi yan. Ginagawa
That's
naman
right.
the day before.
Diba? Parang 24 hours dapat yan naka-fridge or something, diba?
Yeah.
Yeah, may parang extraction time naman si cold brew.
Cold
so,
brew.
easier siya kapag ready na. Pero,
Yung
kapag
preparation.
naubusan ka na,
Yeah.
wala na. Then, next day ka na
Oo
mag-order
nga,
ulit.
ganun din sa amin. Dumating ba sa point na, although syempre, lahat naman ng negosyo, mahirap, di ba? Wala namang madali. Meron bang, dumating ba sa point na, sa sobrang patong-patong na nung mga problema, hindi lang naman dito sa, Coffee Syndicate, dumating ba sa point na, parang ayoko na? Ganun. Parang ayoko na
In the business.
Oo.
Ah.
Dumating ba sa ganun? May mga ganung pangyayari.
Or is it too early kasi 1 year pa lang, diba?
Oh, pero nandun yun. Sa startup pa lang nagkakaroon talaga ng di ba? Build up ng
So napagod
problema.
ka na, gano'n. Kaya mo tinatanong.
Hindi. Ano lang.
Yun ba yung nafe-feel mo?
Hindi naman. Magaling mag-handle ang
Naghahanap
ate
ka ng
ko.
kakampi.
Kapatid ko yung nag-handle nung,
Okay.
nung coffee shop. Magaling siya. Baka lang para maipayo ka din sa kanya. Diba?
Yeah.
Ganun.
Well, honestly, like, di ba, since you have your sister, with Coffee Syndicate kasi, we have several partners in it that actually have their own strengths. So, parang doon talaga kami nagtutulungan. Kaya, hindi pa umaabot sa point na gano'n.
Magaling.
Yeah.
Magaling.
Yeah.
Pero, hindi siya nauubusan ng It's always exciting, ganyan.
Oo
Pagkagising mo, uy, ano kayong problema today?
Yeah, let's frame
Oo
it
nga,
as exciting.
Oh,
Yan
sabi
ang
nila kasi
keyword.
yung fear and yung excitement halos pareha siya ng sa brain natin.
True,
So
true.
minsan pag natatakot ka or na-anxious ka, sabihin mo lang daw sa sarili mo na, hindi, na-excite ako.
Yeah.
Na-excite ako dito. 'Di ba?
Yan yun.
Parang ito, nung sinisimulan natin to kanina, nagsiset up
Oo nga.
kami.
Nagsisigaw ka nga dyan.
Oo, sabi ko,
Nagtatalon ka dyan.
ready na ako, excited na ako. Pero kinakabahan talaga ako kasi syempre ngayon ko lang to gagawin eh.
Yeah.
Paano nyo hinahandle yung fear ng pagnenegosyo ng coffee shop? Coffee shop pa lang pinag-uusapan natin.
Coffee
Marami
shop
negosyo
pala.
itong mga to eh.
Yeah, coffee
Oo nga,
shop.
gusto ko isa-isahin mamaya.
Mamaya.
Coffee shop. Paano?
Paano handle yung fear?
Okay. We drink more coffee and get more anxious.
Oo nga, no? Oo nga, no? Tama
Dagdagan
yan.
natin.
Yung
Palpitation.
yung 6 ni Sophie, baka 12 na.
Takot ka. Shot.
Wala na, okay
Espresso
na.
shot.
Yeah, I guess parang babalik din sa sinabi ni Soph na if it's different eh. Like I want to interject the other business we have. Other business we have, it's us. So when we have fear, kami lang magpapasahan ng fear. It's like, I don't know if you're gonna pass it back to me. I don't know if you're gonna help me carry it. Days are different. Every day is different. At least here with this business, we have some fears, we have some stress na hindi matanggal sa ano.
Pero lima kaming nagpapasahan.
So
Uy,
lima
sa'yo
kami.
ba?
So parang mas madaming nagsasaluhan. So it feels, minsan sa amin din lumalanding. Pero, alam mo yan, may times talaga na madami kami. So it feels na parang, okay, yung burden hindi siya ganun kabigat. But it's always gonna be there. Yun naman yung tanggap namin. Pinasok namin to, magkaka-fears kami, magkaka-struggles along the way. But I feel like yun yung difference. So mas nakaka-ano to. We're more confident na, you know, may sasalo. So, pag kaming dalawa, parang,
Kasi yun yung minsan iniisip ng ibang tao na, sige, magnenegosyo na lang ako. Kasi yung iba napapagod sa employment. Tapos iniisip nila, sige, magnenegosyo na lang ako, mas madali yan.
para hawak nila yung time nila.
Hawak nyo yung oras nyo. Talaga? Gusto mong 24/7 nagtatrabaho? Diba? Akala mo lang madali mag-business. Aside from yung overcoming the fear, you talked about, sabi mo, yung other business nyo na kayong dalawa lang. Ano naman yun? What's that?
Talaga? Hindi ko alam. Joke.
Hindi, kasi...
Share natin.
Siyempre, kunyari, hindi pa ako involved. Ano ba yun? Ano ba yung isang business na yun?
Go.
It's a production house, so we make cool videos. Joke. So we make videos for brands and companies and sometimes for ourselves.
Ngayon, alam na nila kung yung mga viewers natin, kung may manonood man, sana, alam na nila kung bakit direct yung tawag namin sa kanya.
Yeah, ako nga pala, no? Kasi,
Baka akala nung iba, ano ba't direct?
ba't direct?
Direct coffee shop?
Direct
May
director pala sa coffee shop.
Alam na
Direct
nila.
makes sense.
Alam na
Kasi
nila.
siya yung director ng in-house ng 321 Films. Yun nga yung tinutukoy natin na production house. Kung saan, freelance din ako from time to time, no?
As what?
Ay, depende kung anong matrepan nila eh.
Depende nga, actually, no?
Minsan, kung anong matrepan nila, papagawa nila sa akin. Sige, tanggap tayo. Wala tayo ibang project eh. Ang hirap ng freelance. Pero very thankful naman ako sa opportunities na binibigay ng 321.
Direct, mostly commercial, no? Commercial.
Ayun, oo nga. Ayun,
Yeah.
yun.
Commercial, ano pa?
I think hindi naman siya mostly commercial, but most that feed us and that, you know,
Okay. Gets ko na.
nakaka-afford kami bumiling coffee is yes, the commercials.
Movie, direct. Walang plano.
Yan.
Wala pa, but we're currently in the
Work.
in
Yun, no?
Tinitimpla
progress.
pa. Ayun.
Tinitimpla pa.
May
Baka,
tinitimpla
baka
pa.
meron doon direct na tatalon sa tulay. Pwede ako.
Ay, pwede.
Okay. Noted.
Walang
sa
problema.
casting.
Ano ba tawag
Hindi
doon?
ako nalilate.
Stuntman ba
Stuntman
tawag
pala.
doon? Or
Stuntman,
ano lang?
Pwede rin.
Stuntman. Pero one take lang.
Paano yun?
Hindi na mauulit eh. Tumalong ka na eh. Wala na.
Hindi ka na namin makukuha ulit. Sorry.
Hindi, wag na lang.
Hindi
Direct.
pala na-roll.
So, paano nagsimula ang 321 Films?
Out of gutom. Ay. No, but really though. Right?
I think so.
Hindi kasi,
Yeah.
ano bang background? Like for example,
Yeah.
You came from Binil.
Yeah, so multimedia arts and all that.
Yeah,
Syempre started, well, at least for me, started in photo. I like photography. That was my thing. And then led to, that's, I think, the gateway of film or video. And then, ayun, you make your own stuff. And then move to nag-assist, nag-shadow to other directors in production houses and then worked in a production house So basically, yun naman yung start nun. Really like taking photos. I love, actually, if you want to start it. I just liked watching movies. I think I'm a big movie buff.
Cinephile. Ano?
So I like
Cinephile.
movies. And I feel like dun naman din, that's why I like photography. I like the composition of things. I like what it looks like before anything. What if it looks good, I like it.
Mahirap gumawa ng commercial, Direk.
Commercials. Yeah.
Madugo din.
Ibang ano siya, ibang halimaw yung commercial.
I need to hide my reaction.
Parang ano eh.
Hindi ko matawa.
Kasama yan,
Okay,
kasama
sorry,
yan.
sorry.
Ibang halimaw siya, not because of the, I mean, if you look at it from an outsider's perspective, tinitignan mo siya, okay, pinanood ko siya.
Bilis lang.
Nanonood ako, bilis lang.
Bilis lang, 15 seconds.
15 seconds, 6 seconds. Okay. Okay naman pala yung trabaho mo sa'yo, no? Sa'yo na.
Akala nila.
Di ba?
Kasi mabilis lang eh.
Ang
Hindi
bilis
nila
lang
alam
Tapos,
Bilis
diba?
lang. Pero isang araw i-shoot yun.
Bilis lang, isang araw.
Diba?
Yung shoot.
Buti
Actually,
sana ko isang araw lang.
Buti sana.
Yung
May
iba-
dami pa. Tsaka back in the day. Iba pa yun. So,
Yung ngayon, modern na.
modern day
modern.
na. The shoot is the easiest day. At least for me. I don't know about, I feel like the shoot is the easiest day. So if you're asking anong mahirap ba siya, shooting it, ano na ako dyan, nakahinga na yung mga, yung director dyan o yung crew, nakaano na sila. Or at least kaming involved sa pre-prod. Ano na kami dyan, na relax na, everything's gonna go in place. Smooth na yung galawan. Pero ang mahirap talaga is the
Pre-prod.
weeks and or months before that.
Yung
I feel like yun
planning
yung
and all.
pinaka madugo. And not just for me. I think that goes the same for the producers, the executive producers, and all that.
Oo, marami nga palang ano yun. Maraming sangay yun.
Yeah.
Hindi lang
So,
isang
yung
kilos dun.
15 seconds na nakikita natin na thing, medyo sakit sa ulo siya. Yeah.
Actually ako, ang pinakamahirap na part naman yung post-production.
Post-prod.
Sila sa shoot, after ng shoot, okay na, hinga na sila. Ako, doon ako unang kakabahan pag nag-shoot na. Kasi palapit na ng
Tama.
palapit yung hard drive. Mamaya, nandyan na sa akin yung hard drive, no? For context lang, video editor ako na nag-freelance with 321. And minsan ako yung nag-edit ng commercials nila, mga ganon. And yung kinukwento nila na kunyari yung 15 seconds na yan. Yung 15 seconds na yan, pre. 1 month yan ini-edit.
Nakakailang revision?
Gahinak
Ano
ko.
yung pinakamarami mong revision?
Ilan ba yung nasa kontrata? Yun yung una kong tanong. Ilan yung nasa kontrata na revision? Tapos mamaya, sumusobra-sobra na talaga yan. Minsan kasi, nahirapan sila mag-comment pag di pa nila nakikita. Export ka na export. May papabago ka na konti lang, tas yung pala pwedeng isama mo na yung comment mo na susunod dun sa ano. Minsan ganun eh.
Isang buong rabbit hole tong episode na to. Kapag
Oo.
nag-editing na,
Pag post-production.
you need to gather all the editors.
Oo. Hindi, marami
And
pa
give
tayo.
your,
Marami pa naman tayong episodes na
Medyo ano yan.
pag-uusapan natin.
Pag nag-in-depth ka dyan,
Oo.
malalim yan.
Pag-uusapan natin yung mga bawat commercial na ginawa natin.
Sobrang interesado ako dun.
Yan.
Kasi ang dami kong gustong malaman dun sa...
Yeah.
Ako may tanong direct. Kasama ka, di ba? 321 ka.
Well, technically kasi yung 321, silang dalawa lang talaga yun eh. Sa totoo lang. And kumukuha sila ng freelancers like us to build the team. No? Kasi in essence, parang mas madaling ganun eh. Ewan ko.
Yeah, and well, one, mahirap kasi yung overhead ng monthly.
Yun, oo.
I mean, as a
Yeah.
business,
As a business
standpoint.
yeah.
At saka, parang, also, at the same time, we want to allow other people to have the opportunity to work anywhere and experience. Kasi yung knowledge naman nalaman nila from other productions, na dadala rin nila. So, we're always learning.
Kasi yun din yung isa kong naisip doon eh. Na pagka employed ka sa isang, kunyari for example, na stuck ka sa isang company, hindi ka makapag-work sa iba, paano yung days na gusto mong mag-explore or wala kayong project?
Yeah.
Kasi hindi naman, well, in an ideal world, maganda sana lagi kayo may project.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Pero hindi.
But
Sa
it's
totoo
not-
lang, may
yeah.
months
May
na wala.
downtime, may ghost
Oh my God.
month.
Months
Yeah.
talaga.
Yeah.
I think
Oh,
the worst
multiple.
I had was 6 months
Executive.
na walang project.
Yeah.
Sobrang lala.
Ba't di nyo kinuha si Bench?
6 months yun. Ano ba, guys?
6 months?
Wala rin kaming work nun. As in,
yun pala eh.
nangyayari din yun.
No,
It
that
happened.
talaga.
happens.
As in, parang
And then-
paano tayo magbabayad ngayon? Ganon.
Pero malaki ang kitaan direct sa commercial. Oh, galit ka na. Chill out, bro.
Ano ba?
Malaki ba direct? Per
Depends.
brand. Yeah, depende sa
It really depends. Projects, sobrang
They vary talaga.
they vary from...
And now, nauso yung digital. So, because they want to produce more materials, mas maliit yung budget. So, parang nagiging quantity. Yun. Quantity.
May mga tinanggihan na kayo na project.
Madami na rin.
Dahil.
Ha?
Meron naman.
Okay.
Tinanggihan
Sa
dahil,
time.
dahil sa budget, dahil sa...
Oras,
A
hindi
lot
kaya.
of reasons. Some...
Para hindi tumaas yung alta presyon ko.
Yeah.
Joke.
Some to benefit to
Mental health na.
Yeah. To save our mental health. I feel like that's very important
Oo.
over money.
Mm.
Take note, hindi lahat dapat nag-yes
Ah.
kung opportunity.
Oo,
If
kasi
it's
yung
bad
iba
for
no?
your health, don't do it. Look for something else or work on something else.
Mm-mm.
Or pag
Mahirap
hindi rin
na.
pasok sa values.
Yeah. And I feel like, as business owners, we also can't all just say yes to everything if it contradicts with what we believe in. So, mahirap to say yes to all.
Lalo kasi creative field to. So
Yeah.
parang, paano mo ilalabas yung creativity mo if you don't believe in the product?
Exactly.
If you don't, you know.
Pagdating naman sa mga talents, mahirap kumuha ng talents.
Yan.
Kasi feeling ko commercial.
Another ano na naman yan. Sabi sa'yo, maraming business tong mga to eh.
Oo nga eh.
Maraming racket.
Maraming racket tong mga to. Oh.
Mahirap talaga maghanap ng perfect person para dun sa role na yun. Kahit sa commercial. Ganun.
Casting-wise kasi, so syempre, as the director,
Context. Business.
so
Yan.
yung, paano ko ba sisimulan? So yung mom ko, yung business niya is a talent agency. So it's called Modeli Talent Agency. So sa mga gusto mag-commercials dyan.
Yan. Sa mga gusto
and-
mag-artista, meron silang Facebook page. May link doon, forms. Apply na kayo.
Yeah.
Nakakuha kong commercial dahil sa kanila.
Oo nga pala, no?
Oo.
May mga commercials nga pala si Bench.
Oo, dahil sa kanila yun.
Ang dami niya rin talagang ginagawa.
Oo nga. Busy ka rin eh.
Well, tuloy.
So yun. So Modeli, it's a talent agency. So minsan may mga project na direct kumukuha na kami ng talents doon. So syempre si Direk, may vision siya. Minsan may nai-imagine siyang peg. Kasi pag iniisip niya pa lang yung story, mag-send na siya ng mga pegs niya. Pero pag nag-submit naman kasi yung mga talents, that's why we always say na try lang ng try, even for the talents. Kasi malay mo, may mapakita ka na hindi naisip ni Direk, pero pasok or bagay. So minsan it's just, magic. Magic talaga.
Yeah, sa totoo lang, when I started sa Modeli, parang it took like 10 rejections bago ka makakuha ng isang yes. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Audition ka lang na audition, submit ka lang na submit. Eh ngayon, mas madali na. Dati kasi may GoSee,
Pipila
punta
ka.
ka,
Oo.
VTR, pipila kayo, ganyan. Kailangan may dala kang printed na headshots. Eh ngayon, medyo mas madali na yung proseso. Digital na lahat. Sinesend na lang. Diba? Viber group or whatever group. Doon ko rin nakita na dapat try ka lang talaga ng try kasi minsan may mga role na sa'yo talaga malalaglag.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oo.
Kasi naalala ko may isang commercial na sinabi sa akin na hinahanap ako nung caster.
Ah.
Yeah.
So parang, uy!
Pasok.
Diba?
pa.
Sa dami ng inauditionan ko na na-reject ako, yung pala, yung caster na yun, nakita niya na ako sa ibang audition. Tas
Yan na
hinahanap
yung
niya ako for
hahanapin.
that commercial.
Yeah.
So, try lang ng try, guys.
So, yeah.
Ganun talaga.
Try lang natin. Pag hindi-
Sinong ano?
Yeah.
Try lang
At
natin.
least we tried.
Sinong namimili direct ng ikakast?
Yan.
Partially. So, may process kasi yan. So, syempre, so magka-casting deck. So, si caster will choose talent. So, meaning yung mga pwedeng i-present kay Direk. Tapos si Direk, pipili siya ng mga shortlisted talents, meaning nakikita niya kaya umarte, bagay sa role, ganyan. And then after that, ipe-present naman kay ang dami talaga, sorry.
Madami.
Tapos ipe-present naman kay agency. So si agency, ida-double check kung pasok sa brand, magba-background check kung aligned with the brand. And then ang last say is si client.
Oo.
Yung client
Yeah,
talaga.
but meron naman akong kahit papaano if I'm the director of the commercial or the project. may konting pull pa ako kasi ako yung boboka ng ito yung reko ko. Ito yung reko ko. I-defend ko siya. But at the end of the day, sila pa rin yung
Masusunod.
Sila magbabayad.
Pero
eh.
I'll still try kung if I feel strongly about this person na siya yung deserving or siya yung itsuran talaga ng nakikita ko sa board. May hatak pa rin siya kahit papaano. But yeah.
And the clients and agency, that's why they hire naman a director, is because yung director yung in charge sa overall vision. So they trust his recommendations.
Expertise din kasi yun eh.
Yeah.
De tsaka yung pinipili minsan, well, kasi we're talking about commercials here. Pero iba yung kunyari pag short film
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
or feature film.
Yeah.
Kasi syempre wala nang client.
Wala na yan, wala
nang
na.
client eh. So ang namimili na lang doon, si casting director ba or si
Yeah.
direct?
Hand in hand.
Hand in hand na yan. Yeah.
Ako, direct.
They would know.
Anong pwedeng role ko?
Ito, pwede to. Ano,
Mag-audition ka muna. Audition ka. Oh, dali.
Ay,
Audition
kailangan,
ka kasi.
kailangan ko makita yung range eh. Makita yung
Oo.
range.
Sabi sa'yo, check nyo lang sa
Hindi
Facebook
naman ako
page.
maselan direct. Pwede naman akong ano eh.
Oh, ano?
Oh, dali.
Dandan.
Pwede, halimbawa, sa commercial ng ng alak.
Pwede.
Iinom lang ako.
Okay.
Oh, sample.
Okay, coffee commercial.
Coffee commercial.
Coffee. Oh,
Dali,
Kailangan natin
Shop nga
makita
pala
yung
tayo.
ano. Oh, go.
Anong
Three.
gagawin?
Okay, so,
Kunwari,
ang
Bigyan mo
eksena.
eksena.
Direct, anong eksena niya? Go.
Ang eksena mo, sobrang antok ka na.
Tapos,
Antok na antok ka pa, pero kailangan mo magtrabaho. Eh, yung trabaho mo, napakahirap. Kailangan tutok na tutok. Sagot ka ng phone, ganyan, dahil mo kakausapin.
Ito, phone.
Pero antok na antok ka. So, pagka kuha mo ng coffee mo, pagka-sip mo, kailangan baliktad yung emotion. From patay na patay, gawin mong
Biglang
energized.
Nabuhayan.
level
copy.
3.
Copy, direct copy.
Okay.
Okay,
Leave
okay.
it to me.
And
Okay.
cam set,
Cam
rolling,
set. Rolling.
And 3, 2, 1, and action.
Boss, late ka na. May kape nga pala ako dito.
Oo. Sige.
Wala pa.
Wala pa. Practice pa lang yan. Okay. Oh, sip.
Coffee Syndicate?
Ay.
Saan to?
Ay.
Pwede na yan.
Pang ano yun ah. Pang ano to. Pang anong...
Anong trabaho mo?
ano yun? Ano ata?
Computer yung computer.
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 Pang ano, pang indie movie ata yung pinasok niya. Oh, pang indie movie
Bagay
na
mo,
ano. Oh.
pre 30 seconds lang yung commercial.
Medyo pang Breaking Bad yung style, no?
I-improve natin
Kasa
yun.
natin kay Vince Gilligan. Medyo,
10 seconds lang yung commercial, pre. Naubos mo na.
I-improve natin yun. Tutulungan ako yung direct doon.
Okay.
Sabihin niya sa akin yung hindi magandang gawin at magandang gawin.
Basta yung ganon, guys.
Ganun,
Audition lang kayo. Gawin nyo yung best nyo.
And try lang ng try.
Try lang na.
Tinan mo siya, nag-try.
Oh, nag-try ako.
Oh, at
Kasi-
least first
Nag-try
try.
siya.
First try mo na yan.
Try ka
siya.
ulit next week.
Try again
Oo
next
nga.
time. Better luck next time.
Agad, no? Pero okay lang. Okay lang. At least may nakita na yung direct yung
Na-try,
talent ko. May talent ba ako? Meron ba?
Meron siguro.
Huwag ka tumawa, bro.
Let's respect his art.
Art yun.
Ang hirap kaya nun.
Looking back, ano ba yung pinakaunang project natin together?
Si Project Bukas.
Bukas.
Simula na ng
oo.
bukas ngayon.
Ano yung pinaka-favorite?
Oo
Na
nga, may
project
favorite
nyo.
ba kayong project direct?
Oh, no.
Hindi tayo pwede magbigay ng favorite project.
Pwede. Ibiblip
Hindi.
ko lang.
Oh, no.
Ibiblip ko lang yan.
Pag tayo hindi nakakuha ng project dahil dito, Benjamin Olfindo.
Ibiblip naman natin eh. Beep! Ganun lang oh. Ano yung pinaka na-enjoy nyong
Project.
Okay.
Yun.
Oo, diba? Pinaka
na-enjoy.
na-enjoy.
Ang hirap nito.
I feel like you can give, visually
This is hard.
favorite and work-wise favorite. Kasi ako, work-wise
magkaiba pa.
favorite. Favorite ko,
Ah, talaga?
Work-wise.
work-wise. No?
It's
Although nakakaisa pa lang tayo dun eh.
I know, pero...
it's there. It's on the.
it's
I mean,
there. Okay.
yeah, we made it from top to finish, and it started from nothing.
Kayo ba concept nun?
As in nothing.
As in yung ganun.
Yeah, it started from nothing na nagka-device on the character, and so it's up there. Pero di ko siya masyado iniisip kung ano yung favorite ko for some weird reason.
Sorry. Wait, mag-blip ka ha?
Oo, may blip yan. Huwag kayong mag-alala.
I
May
don't
blip yan.
know. Oh
Ha?
my gosh.
Wala no, ang hirap.
Hindi ko siya iniisip kasi for me, I don't know. Parang pag work, I feel like there's lahat ng factors nandun eh. Hindi ko siya ma-fully everything's on a positive note.
Yeah.
In some sense, there's stress for me creatively also. But I should have an answer. I still don't know it yet. What's you?
I mean,
what's
kasi
yours?
experience-wise lang naman so far.
Yeah,
kasi
yeah.
marami pa tayong gagawing projects in the future.
Yeah.
Meron tayong moving lulutuin.
Yeah.
Uy.
Isa, sama ko dun.
O kaya series. Ewan ko, tignan natin
Yeah.
kung anong mangyayari. Pero, ilang years na ba 321?
Started pandemic.
We started
2020.
2020, no? Within that 6 years, ano yung pinaka na-enjoy or pinaka masayang gawin?
Probably, okay, I feel like I have an answer.
Yan.
Na-mention naman natin kanina the first ever project. I feel like emotionally.
Talaga, yun ang pinaka...
Emotionally-
So far, yung pa rin ang bar.
Yeah, emotionally and everything coming from the pandemic, doing this on our own, I feel like it means something.
right.
It means something
Right.
because it's our first project together as 3 to 1. It was the first project where we gave our friends who we believed in work, and I feel like that was super important since nanggaling tayo sa or
We were in the pandemic.
we were in the middle of a pandemic. Everyone was lost. Wow, wala yung mga utak natin lang.
Yeah.
And then parang nag-come together, it's like parang ganda nung balik. Alam mo yun, yung feeling na, uy,
Pwede na ulit mag-shoot.
may project tayo. Uy, we're doing it in our own thing. So it felt like a reunion, but also a breath of fresh air, maybe literally, na lumabas tayo sa bahay. But it felt like that. It means a lot. So, to answer that question, parang ano siya, parang siyang, yun yung na-feel kong okay siya, even in the pre-production, because it was all excitement. We're gonna do this. We're gonna have work. Hindi pa guguho yung mundo completely. Konti lang. So, it gave us hope. It gave us everything that we pretty much asked for. Pre-prod till the end. Even if it wasn't it felt like na, we could have done better. Lagi naman may ganun na thoughts.
Yeah.
In all projects, we could have done better. It'd be like, screw that. That was a moment. Yeah.
Actually, that's nice. Aw.
How about you?
Ikaw, anong favorite mo?
No, I think actually, I think I agree with Pao when he said that. Because ang 3-2-1, pandemic baby siya.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, being...
Ang dami kasi ding nawalan ng trabaho ng pandemic.
Yeah.
Totoo lang.
So, parang, it was hope for us, yung project na yun, yung Project Book. Project Book kasi yung pangalan, di ba?
I think so.
Gawa-gawa ko ba?
Yeah, the project was, yeah.
Diba? Oo.
I think so.
Yeah, so parang it gave us parang that hope na this is what tomorrow will look like. Ganon. Yeah. And yun, again, so me not being a behind the scenes person, I've never worked behind the scenes. It was also my first time working in a production na
Talaga?
na
No, a big, real.
yeah,
I mean, maybe you had experience, but mostly it's like
minor stuff.
your own stuff.
Yeah.
Projects, school
Or-
projects, ganyan.
Not
Kasi
really.
multimedia
But you
arts
had,
ka rin naman, di ba?
You had a
Tama
bunch
ba?
of things naman. But
Yeah, I took
not
up
in a-
multimedia also. Pero no, I
So
mean
may
like
experience
first
ka sa production.
first big
Big
project.
one,
Yeah,
yeah.
now from the ground up talaga.
Maraming kalaban direct.
Nung
ganun.
pandemic, wala masyado.
Ngayon.
Ano ngayon?
Ay, sorry.
Marami bang kalaban in the industry of ganito, production?
well, I kind of don't want to see it as kalaban, but it is what it is.
Diba? I mean,
Maraming katulad.
Yeah, madaming katulad.
Competition is healthy naman.
Yeah. Of course. And today especially. that everything that we do
Mm.
is so accessible.
Yeah.
Everyone can own a camera. Everyone can learn a skill.
Mm.
It really depends how you learn it, or it depends on how you apply the skill na natutunan mo with all the access that we have today.
Mm.
I mean, dati ilan lang may camera. May makikita kang ganito camera, magiging lahat ng tao parang, uy, ganito yan ah. Professional yan ah. Pa-picture nga. Di ba? Like, it's always, uy, grabe. Serious naman. But now, everyone has a camera. So, as basic as a camera, but being a production house is, I feel like that relates to it naman na a lot of skills now, especially in that industry,
Mhm.
can be learned like that.
Oh, manood ka lang online.
Swear.
Pwede ka nang matuto eh.
So it's yes, madaming kalaban, and today is the pinakamadaming, if anything, lahat, everyone's a creator basically. You have this, you're a creator, and I feel like we're creators. We create things out of things for other people. That's the difference. We do it for other people, pero everyone's a creator. As long as you have this, you can create stuff. So kalaban is everywhere.
Kalaban is everywhere.
That's why we shouldn't call them kalaban anymore kasi they're among us.
Dahil nga madali na siyang aralin, madali na siyang matutunan. Diploma o diskarte? Sa industry natin ha.
And
Of course. Ibang usapan pag
Yung
doktor.
doctor,
Siyempre.
lawyer.
Hindi pwedeng diskarte yun, pre. Bawal
Diskarte yung operation.
Kawawa naman yung pasyente, di ba? Pero pagdating sa industry natin, in the creatives, in the, art industry, diploma o diskarte?
Discarte all the way.
Yeah,
Discarte
discard.
all the way.
I mean, like even when we work with other people, as in, kasi some people, sobrang galing nila. Sobrang, alam mo yun, andun sila. Pero pagkatrabaho naman, ang hirap. Diba? So
Yeah.
parang, diba, I don't wanna
Agree.
sound,
No.
but that's why, important yung person na okay ka work, okay yung values, and ginagamit yung brain.
Yung ulo.
Full capacity of the brain.
Ayaw gamitin yung ulo kasi.
Yung iba kasi marami talagang skills.
Yeah.
Pero ang hirap katrabaho.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gusto mo pangalanan?
Wag na.
Wag.
Yeah.
Pero meron naman ding may kailangan lang ng tamang language.
Yeah.
Meron akong nakatrabaho, na hanggang ngayon nakakatrabaho ko, na minsan kailangan mo lang i-word ng maayos yung gusto mong ipagawa.
No, I guess.
Kasi minsan ang
yes.
hirap, hindi
Yeah.
niya ata, well, ewan ko, baka iba lang talaga yung
Pero-
process ng brain niya. Kasi very creative tong taong to.
Yeah,
As in,
yeah.
iba. As in,
Yeah.
out of this world mag-isip. Pero, medyo mahirap lang i-communicate lahat ng gusto mong mangyari.
Of
Yeah.
course.
So parang
Pero
kailangan
dito
may translator.
pumapasok yung diskarte mo.
Ayan.
Di ba? Kasi
Diskarte
kung
mo.
ikaw naman walang diskarte, edi hindi na kayo nag-intindihan.
At hindi
So, at
nyo
least-
nagamit yung full potential.
At least, didiskartehan mo din para makuha mo yung...
Communication.
Oh. I-guess ko yun, ha? I-guess ko yun. Magkita
Diba?
tayo dito sa Tara Kape tayo. Magkakape tayo. Ito naman, with the new system now, sa tingin nyo, how will AI affect our
Oo nga.
business?
Oo nga, no?
There's a flip side din naman na there are tools na
Of
talagang
course.
nakakatulong.
Of course.
Like for example, yung paggawa ng pag-generate ng storyboards.
Yep.
'Di ba? Kasi for example, yon, the other people won't see it.
Yep.
It's just for your
It's for your team.
Internal, yeah.
It's for your
diba?
team.
It's for your team, it's for the ano. Before kasi the thing you have to do is you have someone draw it and you have to pay that artist, 'di ba? So ngayon na meron ng AI minsan mid shot of
Yeah.
a girl ganito typing on
Most
the
of the
desk.
time that helps storyboard-wise. A lot of the times ako, I'm still making storyboards like
Pinapadrawing mo
hours
talaga.
ago. Pero may shots talaga na kahit anong type ko, baka ako lang yung banu mag-prompt. But, may mga shots pa rin talaga na parang, bakit di mo makuha? So, sketch mo na lang. And then maybe the smart thing to do is sketch it, prompt it, use it as prompt, and put it
To
out
enhance
to
it.
enhance it, something like that. But
Pwede.
but yung idea nga na some things can be used as
Yeah.
we can't just shit on AI the entire time. Like honestly, for me, all the other tools at AI, it's okay. But I think generative AI that you
You replace.
use and replace
Yeah.
people, that
That's-
shouldn't be. That shouldn't be.
Yeah.
That shouldn't be the norm at all.
And also, I feel like in a creative field and creative industry, it's the process eh. 'Di ba? I mean, as badly put as paper and ballpen, you jot down your ideas, you mind map it there. Iba yung creativity na lalabas. Compared to if you just make your brain sanay being stupid and just typing in stuff. Parang natatamad yung brain mo. So yung creativity and imagination mo, natatamad na rin. So nagde-degenerate yung brain natin. Tama ba? Or is this like a
Nagre-regress?
soap take? Is this a soap?
But no.
take?
But basically,
No, kasi
It could- yeah, it could
creativity
happen.
eh,
no.
diba?
Which is, it's basically your brain is a muscle, and your muscle needs to be exercised. It
Yeah.
needs to move. And if you're just typing everything to your AI friend and just asking any little thing, then you don't even use your own brain. Hindi siya na-exercise kasi nga muscle siya. So I feel like bumubobo yung tao.
And yung creativity, nagiging stale.
It's mawawala yung creativity because you're not exercising your brain na, okay, paano ko ba ito papaganda? Paano ko ba ito makikwento? Paano ko ba makikwento yung gusto kong masabi? Instead of typing it, can you please write me a script that's funny? You're not training your brain to think, and then years along, ChatGPT or whatever AI has been here for what? A few years.
Yeah.
And we already see how people can get the effects on it, that people lose critical thinking and everything. So can you imagine along the way na ito na talaga, every little question, hindi ko na gagamitin yung utak ko, hey ChatGPT, can you, anong temperature ng tubig dapat iniinom ko? Or whatever. It's what shirt should I wear? It's a Monday. We're gonna end up society just so reliant on
Pag bigla
On
nawala
that.
na internet.
exactly. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Paano ka magde-decide?
Ayaw, wala. So it's nawawala. So in creativity, that's a big
Yeah.
big factor.
Although when I tried, kasi syempre we have to, anong tawag doon? Adapt, di ba?
Yeah.
Minsan kailangan natin aralin yung AI softwares.
Of course.
Yeah.
Ang hirap din mag-prompt ha.
Mahirap.
That's a
Yeah.
different ano
Yung
also.
kailangan mong
Yeah.
i-word in a way na
Yeah.
iba yung language eh. Hindi siya kasing simple na ina-explain mo sa tropa mo na ganito.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ang hirap din mag-prompt.
So, again, hindi naman super against 100% AI.
Yeah.
It's just we shouldn't be dependent on it.
Oo.
And we should be morally more aware na if it's something na, alam mo yun?
Maging dependent ka na doon.
Oo,
Parang
and
mali na eh.
Dapat,
Yeah.
ano to, tao yung gumagawa. Ganun.
Dapat complement siya or nakakatulong siya sa'yo.
Tools
Yeah.
lang.
Tools lang.
It's a
Yeah.
tool. It's another type of
Hindi
wrench
para
in your
i-replace.
toolbox. Di ba?
Hindi para i-replace yung gagawin mo. Diba? Next. May next question ka.
Hindi, iniisip ko pa eh. Iniisip ko pa yung yung AI, nainis ako eh.
Ba't ka naman naiinis?
Baka mawalan din ako ng trabaho eh. Kumuha ng AI yung boss ko eh. Di ba?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oo. Oo. Kasi i-explain mo. Bakit? Ano ba yung
Teka, saan ba
ginagawa
yun?
mo? Hindi, ano ba yung ginagawa?
Ano ba?
Ano ba yung ginagawa mo? Bakit
Hindi, sa sales naman
i-replace
kasi.
ka?
Yeah.
Yan.
Sa sales ako. So,
So paano siya nakaka-affect
di ba?
sa...
Pag system halimbawa Excel, basic na lang. Excel.
Yeah.
So type lang doon o ano lang, compute lang lahat ng benta, ganyan. Kung may AI na, kung may AI na gano'n, meron man talaga.
Meron.
Meron naman talaga. Hindi na ako tatawagan ng boss ko. Mamimiss ko yung boss ko ngayon.
Uy, mismo
Boss.
siya. Yun lang.
Baka
naman.
Huwag niyo yung AI. Wala yung pangit yun. Ako lang. Ako loyal ako sa inyo.
Oh, yung AI ba nalilate sa trabaho?
Oo nga.
Oh, ako.
Oo nga.
Yun
At least ako
mo.
nalilate, di ba?
Oh.
Oo, mamimiss nyo din ako.
yung AI, di mo mababatukan. Ako pwede mo batukan
Hindi
anytime.
naman ako binabatukan ng boss. Mabait yun. Ano ka?
Mabait yung boss.
Mabait,
mo.
mabait,
Oo nga,
mabait.
mabait.
Labor loss ata yun, Ben.
Mabait.
Mabait.
Violent. Ginawa kang violente naman eh.
Anyway, paano natin isip ko close to? Hindi natin inaral paano i-close eh.
May
Opening
ano
lang
kayo
yun.
may dun sa pagbi-business, balik ako sa coffee shop.
Yeah.
Sa mga gusto mag-start ng coffee shop,
Yeah.
may masasabi ba kayo sa kanila or may maipapayo?
Advice.
Advice.
Actually, hindi lang naman sa coffee shop. Like, in business.
Oh,
in
lahat,
general.
in general.
Ano ma-advise nyo sa mga viewers natin na gustong mag-start or nagsa-start na ngayon, di ba? Or
Can I
having
just
their own business, yeah.
Sure ba kayo? Joke lang.
think twice? Joke lang. Think thrice. Four
Multiple
times.
times.
Multiple times.
Learn how to do your taxes.
Oh my
seryoso.
Learn how to do
Oo
your
nga.
taxes.
Alam mo, dapat subject talaga siya.
Isa
It
siya sa
should be a subject.
nahirapan din akong intindihin nung una. Aminin natin, guys. Mahirap magbayad ng tax pag nakikita mong kung paano nila ginagastos, di ba? Pero, you have to do
1
your
hour
duty.
pa pala tong episode na to.
Hindi, okay, oo nga. Pero dapat tapusin na natin to eh. Dapat tapusin na natin. Hindi, I'm just saying na marami kasing tao na huwag na tayo magbayad ng tax kasi ganyan.
Yeah.
Saan na
Pero
pupunta eh.
sa totoo lang, you have to do your part para sa ano mo na rin eh.
Yeah.
Parang
Conscience.
paano i-bless yung ginagawa mo
Yeah,
kung,
exactly.
'di ba? Mali na agad from the get-go.
Mm.
Pero yon, tsaka na natin pag-usapan yung ibang topic yon.
So, yeah.
Kailangan ng accountant dito.
Mag-guest, yun nga.
Oh my gosh, you should do that.
Mag-guest tayo ng accountant, maghahanap tayo para mapag-usapan natin ng labor.
Taxation.
Tax laws and kung ano yung mga kailangan nyo malaman kung magsisimula kayo ng business. Pero aside from that,
So, yeah,
yun yung tip nila, know your taxes. Aside from that,
Yeah, know your taxes.
ano pa?
I think when you're starting a business, it's important to prepare yourself na hindi siya magiging madali. Hindi siya mangyayari overnight.
Oo nga.
It's not gonna just happen.
Mm.
As in, literal pawis, tears, blood is gonna be spent in starting a business. So, ang importante is, kahit wala pa siyang balik, you still always give 100%.
Yeah.
So, it's not about what you're gonna get, but it's about what you give. And eventually, it will give back to you.
Mm.
Yun. Tapos, ano rin, it's important to find people that you can work with and trust. Kasi important talaga ang support system. Kasi minsan, like, kunwari ako, may mga days na, ano talaga, ganyan. So, syempre, papasa mo sa ibang tao yun. So, kailangan support ka ng ibang tao.
Mm.
Yun.
Yeah.
Yun lang.
Ikaw, as a business owner, baka may gusto ka rin sabihin.
Hindi, host ako eh.
O sige. Okay. Maraming salamat. Direct Pau and Ma'am Sophie. Bago tayo matapos, may next project ba tayo?
Oo nga, no?
Uy, may shoot tayo next week!
Meron ba?
Meron pala eh.
Meron pala eh. Okay.
may shoot
Marami pa tayong gagawin. Maraming salamat, guys. This is the first episode of Tara Kape Tayo. And if you want more, please do comment down below. Visit us here at Commerce Center, no? Coffee Syndicate here in Alabang. And malay nyo, si Miss Sophie ang kahera nyo or si Direk Pau ang magtitimpla
Direk.
ng kape nyo. Di ba?
Tapos, 10 minutes bago
Sakto,
dumating.
mag-audition na rin kayo kung gusto nyo mag-artista.
Oo.
Pa-audition na kayo. Don't forget to subscribe, click the like button. Ano ba? Paano ba sabihin yon? Subscribe, like, share, I don't know.
Comment down below.
Comment down below. Sinong gusto nyong i-guest namin sa susunod? Anong mga topics ang gusto nyong mapag-usapan dito? And thank you so much. And
Kape pa tayo.
Kape pa tayo.
kape pa tayo.
Tayo ulit.
6 times. 6 times a day.
Yung susunod.
Bad advice. Wag. Yun na nga yung outro natin na umiinom
Hindi ko
tayo.
masip yung akin.
Cut mo na.